How's it going, YouTube? It's Devontae Graves here, and I was just looking at Ibotoolbox, and I was just logging into my back office about to make a video, and then I logged into my Ibotoolbox account, and I've seen that I have gotten a little trophy for Ibotoolbox Top Enroller. So I guess that's pretty sweet. She has the same thing as well. Mrs. King, she's the featured member of the day. She has the same trophy as well. So, and my activity for referrals has been up within the past 5 days. So, I can't complain about that because, for one, I don't really promote Ibotoolbox lately. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I wanted to just make a quick video about that. I believe I got some engagement. Yes, it is. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I didn't, but I should definitely start promoting Ibotoolbox a lot more since I rarely do on my YouTube channel. So thanks to everybody that signed up for Ibotoolbox under me. I really appreciate that. That trophy really lets me know that I'm doing something positive, and I should really start being a lot more active in Ibotoolbox because I don't know. I'm not really that active. I only come on like momentarily. Like I say, about 2 or 3 times out the week. But I mean, this is still a great platform. We can go to. This is my profile here. This is how I have my profile set up. I got a couple of my videos embedded. They can just click on them and it'll play right away. And then I have my capture page. Of course, getting to the capture page is always the main ingredient. But to just this month, I've gotten 2,000 views, and it's only the 12th. So 2,000 views, that's pretty impressive on a free platform. But I'm not sure how I'm not sure how accurate this is because let's go to referral activity. And it says everything you do at Ibotoolbox, rather blah blah blah. Ibotoolbox on track system monitors your activity within the site. Okay, referral activity. You are awarded a star if you refer someone within the last 5 days. Remember, you refer others on to as sleep for you. Oh, okay. Referring people. Oh, all right. So I can go to my leads. Let's go to leads. And that's how I see who's signed up with me. Okay. Yeah. So I got a sign up 2 days ago. Okay. So yeah, this is how you figure out who's your leads are, because your leads that come in from Ibotoolbox, from your Ibotoolbox links will be these people right here, your leads for Ibotoolbox. And then you can contact these people to hopefully opt in to your last year being broke plan capture page, and that's how that works with the leads. Okay. All right, so I found the list of top enrollers, and I'm happy to be at the bottom, but that's cool. It gives me more motivation. I want to get to the top, and I only got to get 2 more referrals. Just 2 more. Something slight. But it does look pretty nice to have the trophy next to your name. So I'm gonna try to keep that up. Try to get as many referrals as possible. I'll be your toolbox. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to just make this quick video. I will definitely be more active on Ibotoolbox. And don't forget to click your 10 ads and feature ad pro every day. It's very important because you don't earn money. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.